Okay, Sophia, we are right here on the back door of your business. We have a handlebar that it's been tight and adjust to be closed good. On top we have an alarm lock detox box, which I'll fix that as well. And if you see over here the sticker, I'll take it off as you're with me on the video. It's actually coming off right here. It's a brand new lock. I put for you new keys for the door from the outside and also to operate this detox box. Now what happens, your supervisor is here gonna operate the door, and we're gonna open the door, and at the moment the doors will open, press that door, sound will turn on. To stop the alarm, we're gonna turn it to the left, take the key out in the middle, close the door back again, everything locked from the outside, as I'm gonna show you right now. Cannot open the door from the outside. Once you put a key in, I'm able to turn the cylinder and get in. 360 all the way. We leave it locked 24/7. Again, want to turn on the detox box. Once I put it back in, to the right, key to the middle, light will go red over here, and the door will be operating with the sound. Perfecto. Now we're going to start it off and put the system back again. Reset that. Everything is good. 3 original keys. 1 do not duplicate. It's all good.